Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Let's begin with the tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to download Face app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Play Store. Then after, at the bottom, you can see a search icon. Tap on it. Write Face app. There you can see its official app, Face app. On the second, tap on it. By Face App Technology Limited. There you can see the option of install. Tap on it and install. Make sure your internet connection is stable for fast download. With the help of Face app, you can edit pictures, use filters, and also if you want to know how would you look, you can also change genders and edit backgrounds. You can do all the photo editing. There you go, your app has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.